Welcome back to Oma's Musings. I'm Kathy, and this is the place where I share a little wisdom from the other side of the empty nest. Here we talk about faith, simplicity, and what it means to live intentionally in our senior years. Whether you're downsizing, decluttering, or just looking for a slower, more meaningful pace, you're in good company. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's chat about what really matters. Let's talk today about something simple but powerful, and that's using summer as a reset for your home. Now, I know we usually think of January as the time for new routines, at least I do. But there's something about the slower pace of summer that makes it a perfect time to hit refresh, especially if you've got kids or grandkids heading back to school in a few months. And here's the best part. Some of the best organizing happens on those rainy summer days or those blistering hot afternoons when it's just too much to be outside. You don't need a whole weekend or a massive to-do list. Most of these tasks don't even take long. What they really need is just momentum. Start with one drawer, one shelf, one corner, and watch how that little spark gets things rolling. I want to share a few simple ways you can start now. So when fall comes, your home feels calm and ready, and your mornings a whole lot smoother. 1. Declutter the drop zones. Start with the chaos zones, those places where everything gets dumped, like the entryway, the kitchen counter, the mudroom, the garage. Keep a small system. Hooks for backpacks, a bin for each kid, a tray for keys or phones. Just having designated spots makes a world of difference, and it helps everyone in the family know where things go. That's key when you're building a daily reset habit. Number 2, reset the backpack and supplies. Go ahead and grab that backpack from last school year. You know, the one with papers still crammed in the pockets and who knows what in the bottom. Empty it out, wipe it down, toss the junk. Take inventory of what supplies you already have so you're not buying doubles, and maybe start a little school supply bin so everything's easy to find later. Number 3, create a simple command center. You don't need anything fancy. You don't need to run out and buy something. It's not an excuse to spend money and buy some cute little things you've seen on Pinterest. All you need is a small area where you can track the flow of life. Maybe a wall calendar, a place for incoming papers, and a dry erase board for weekly reminders that the whole family can see. Even a charging station helps reduce last-minute chaos on school mornings. Number 4, tidy one area a week. This is perfect for those days when it's too hot or too rainy to be outside. Just one area. Maybe the bathroom drawers this week or the kids' dressers next. Doing a little each week adds up fast, and before you know it, your home feels lighter and more manageable. Number 5, simplify your meal plan. Summer is a great time to build up a list of go-to meals. Think freezer meals, crock-pot dinners, or just a basic meal rotation so you're not scrambling once school starts. The beauty of doing this during summer is that it sets the stage for a daily reset habit come fall. When everything has a home, it's so much easier for the whole family to pitch in. You're not the only one keeping the house running. Everyone can help when everyone knows where things go. So let me ask you, when's your natural reset time? Maybe it's January, or maybe it's right now on a slow summer afternoon when you're inside sipping iced tea while the fan hums. Start where you are, start small, and remember, it's not about perfection. It's about creating peace and rhythm in your home. Thanks for being with me here today. I'll keep dropping in with little ideas to help make life simpler and more peaceful. As always, Have a wonderful day, and God bless you.